All right, so let's jump over here now, and we are going to just do a little more practice. We're going to take this youth.dat file that's sitting in this location, right? So if we go to NHANES download, I'm going to right click just to go to properties. Right. Let's just look at this property, right? Because that's the, let's copy this location just to confirm. It's in youth download, okay. Right. And then once this references this file, it's going to load this as youth, right? And then in this data step, right, we're going to load this in file called youth. We're going to insert all these formats in, and the new SAS data set will end up in the library called NHANES, right? And remember where our NHANES, remember we ran this code earlier on, and our NHANES library happened to be in home, RLE 11, NHANES dataset. So it's going to show up right over here. So let's run this part. Good practice, always go into the log, right? What is going on here? Let's just clear this part. I don't know what this is talking about. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Let's go back over here. Let's go back to the code. Right. Let's just run this. Okay, log is fine over here. And then let's just make sure there's a nice little run statement. I always like to end it with a run statement. Just so perfect. Just so SAS knows when to end the process. And just to let you know, I don't have to highlight all this. I can just start from, I can just run the entire data set. Hit the little running man, and hopefully there's a youth file right over here. And we have 2 errors. libref NHANES is not assigned. Oh, we didn't run this from last time because this is a new session. I'm actually starting a new video. I stopped the other day and I closed the SAS session. But remember, every time you have the SAS session, you have to run the library. We've assigned the library now. Right. And now let's go back to our youth code. Let's run this and hopefully we should get a nice success. And here it is, 13,000 rows. And now we have our youth data set, right? So from now on, we do not have to run all of this code to actually ensure that we have these 3 files now, right? We will work directly from these SAS7 BDAT files because notice, remember our manipulation can happen because if we look in our NHANES library, we have adult 1, lab 1, youth 1. Now we have the data sets, and in our next video, I'm going to summarize what everything meant in the first 3 videos, and then we can go on to some pretty cool data manipulation. So once we get these little A, B's, and C's out of the way, it's going to be really, really fun. So don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy this video. There will be other videos like this every week. Please feel to reach out to me if you have any questions or comments, and I hope to see you all in the next video.